2-3 times Vajpayee ji NDA one has introduced the bill. Congress didn't support. Again, Congress UPA has come. They brought the bill. Parliament, Rajya Sabha, they passed the bill with the support of BJP. Lok Sabha, not supporting their allies in the name of that. They denied. They postponed. Again, 23, Honorable Prime Minister introduced the bill. He was able to communicate, convince the nation. With that pressure, they are able to pass the bill. Again, Honorable Prime Minister wanted to prepone in execution. That bill is very clear. After the census, then only delimitation. Even we have to keep in mind, even 2001, delimitation bill has brought. At that time, Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. South India population compared to North India is reducing. If you go to 91 census, we should have lost seats. He made it very clear. Every state will have standard, same number. Within the state, on the basis of population, we will readjust. Even Andhra Pradesh, I have seen East Godavari, West Godavari, 2-3 seats we lost. In Telangana, that is Rangareddy district, 6 seats we have gained. Because everybody migrated to Hyderabad. That is how it has happened. Now this bill, what is this bill? He made it very clear. No state will lose seats. Every state 50% enhancement will be there. Tamil Nadu 39, another 20, that means 59. Andhra Pradesh 25, another 13, 38. UP 80, another 40, 120. Pro rata basing on existing seats, 50% enhancement. Among that, 33% women reservations. How South India is losing seats? What is the injustice for South India or smaller states or northeastern states? Now Congress has to tell.